This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Amir Khan. Bright and spacious condo with separate deeded parking. Great outdoor space with balconies off of living room and off of master bedroom. Features solid hardwood floors, all SSA, gas cooking. Exotic quartz countertop and maple shaker white kitchen cabinets. Powder room on living room level. Built-in sound, Augusta Entry system, pet friendly, low condo fee, close to Washington Hospital and Metro, front porch, private deck and much more. Check out video tour in virtual tours. For more information, review the details below.